And that will give you your build quote, and it will give you your buy costs and some running costs as well. Hey guys, it's Trisha from Real Life, and I'm really excited to share with you what do you do if you're going to a project and you want to analyse the costs without your builder already having seen it. So we have lots of different ways that we do this based on our experience and things like that. So you should make sure that you get along to one of the Real Life Property Wealth trainings or any of the trainings that we're doing, so that we can show you and give you a guide on how to analyse your costs before having to take a build around there. Because generally on our HMOs, we work it out, it works out to be between 10 to 12,000 per room for like double en suites. So we just rounded that up and said, so for fast numbers, which we teach you on Real Life Property Wealth, is to do 15,000 per room. And that will give you your build quote, and it will give you your buy costs and some running costs as well. So for example, we have a 7-bedroom HMO that we're renovating right now. The total cost was about 99,000, but if you analyse it on the 15k a room that we gave, that takes you to 105,000. But that was the total buy cost. The refurb was 72,000, and then the rest of that was buy costs and running costs until we refinance and pull the project out. So if you use the fast numbers on that, 15,000 per room to give you a fast number, and then when you've got a guide to give you an offer amount that you're going to get the property accepted at, then take your build around once the offer is accepted, because believe me, you don't want to waste their time taking them around properties that you don't have any accepted offer on yet, and then when they turn around and say, oh, we're moving forward with this, and you say, sorry, I lost that one, that can happen quite a lot. Again, get yourself to Real Life Property Wealth and we'll show you how to only move forward and spend and invest time, because it's not just money, you're investing time in your properties to getting your offers accepted before you do much in investment of your time. So what you want to do is to have a guide, fast number, get the offer accepted, and then take your build around and get detailed clarification, schedule of works broken down so that you can make money by investing in property. If you want more, keep following the Real Life page, set your subscription up, get your notifications, every single day new content coming to you.